everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a finally crafting it video. This is a late post and I do apologize for that. Anyway, so it is an open collab that is hosted by myself and Tree from Craft On. It's on third Wednesday of every month. And just basically this is to start either crafting again, or if there's an item that you've been wanting to craft and haven't touched it or haven't visited, and you just, or it's in your bucket list. I guess you could call it a bucket list of items that you want to craft with and you haven't had a chance with to craft with. um yeah, so you could just you have a whole month to basically decide what you want to craft with, and post it and hopefully hashtag us on finally crafting it. Anyway, so I it's funny because I was laughing when I saw Tree's video. It was so cute. Did you guys see it? Uh, did I say it was co-hosted by me and Tree? Oh my goodness, so sorry. I am a little delayed right now, so I do apologize for that. So Tree posted her video on Wednesday as usual, and I was laughing because she made these cute little crochet chickens. Okay, so on my list of things that I've been wanting to do are these hearts, you guys. So I also crochet. These are hearts that Tree, my friend, um sent me. I've had Buzzing with Bee. Hi Bee, if you're watching, hi. She also sent me some and I couldn't find them, and those are so cute as well, but they have a tassel. So yeah, so I've been wanting to use these, but I've been hoarding them because I've been wanting to make them as well. So these are trees, and these are mine that I've crafted. So I do have a lot of yarn, and I did, you guys, to make these, I did a few boo-boos, a few mistakes here and there. And of course, yeah, if you haven't crocheted for a while, it's a little hard. So anyways, I have these pins, and I figured I could just pin this on, something, anyway. So this one is more like an apple. This one was one of my first ones, and I was like, oh well, this could go for like an apple. Okay, and here you guys go. So I did crochet. I was in bed one day and I just, decided to crochet. And like I said, some of them came out funky looking, until I got the hang of it. I think I finally kind of got the hang of it. But, it's trial and error, you guys. As you guys know, when you guys start something new, it's always a trial and error. So I've made all these so I can put some in Happy Mail. So anyways, yeah, so I hope you guys like what I created, and yeah, so I guess we think alike, me and Tree. Anyways, so you guys, finally crafting anything you want to craft with, crochet, sewing, anything. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and hopefully you guys can join us next month. If not, that's okay. Anytime is okay with this. And yeah, so I put them in this little thing, and I'm still gonna figure out how to like put them in Happy Meal, and anyways, you guys, again, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.